20 business phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. Set up. Meaning, to start a business or organization. Examples. She set up her own consulting firm last year. We need a solid plan before we set up the new branch. Take over. Take over. Meaning, to gain control of a company or organization. Examples. A large corporation took over the startup. He plans to take over the family business after graduation. Look into. Look into. Meaning, to investigate or examine something. Examples. The manager will look into the complaint immediately. We're looking into ways to cut production costs. Back out. Back out. Meaning, to withdraw from an agreement or commitment. Examples. The investor backed out at the last minute. We had to find a new partner after they backed out.
Call off. Call off.
Meaning to cancel something. Examples. They called off the meeting due to a scheduling conflict. The merger was called off after financial issues arose. Carry out. Carry out. Meaning, to perform or complete a task or plan. Examples. The team carried out the research successfully. We need to carry out the marketing strategy by next month. Come up with. Come up with. Meaning, to produce or think of an idea or plan. Examples. She came up with a brilliant solution to the problem. The marketing team came up with a new campaign. Cut down on. Cut down on. Meaning, to reduce the amount or number of something. Examples. We're trying to cut down on unnecessary expenses. The company cut down on staff during the recession. Go over. Go over. Meaning, to review or examine something carefully. Examples. Let's go over the financial report together. The board went over the proposal before approving it. Deal with. Deal with. Meaning, to handle or manage a situation or problem. Examples. I'll deal with the client complaints right away. She's good at dealing with difficult negotiations. Fill in. Fill in. Meaning, to temporarily do someone's job or provide missing information. Examples. Can you fill in for me at the meeting tomorrow? Please fill in the missing details on the form. Follow up. Follow up. Meaning to check the progress or outcome of something. Examples: I'll follow up with the client after the presentation. The manager followed up on the sales lead quickly. Layoff. Layoff. Meaning to terminate employees due to lack of work or budget. Examples: the company laid off 50 workers last week. He was laid off during the economic downturn. Look after. Meaning to take care of something or someone. Examples: she looks after the company's legal affairs. Who's looking after the new interns? Pick up. Pick up. Meaning to improve or increase in activity or performance. Examples: sales usually pick up during the holiday season. Business picked up after the new product launch. Pull out. Meaning to withdraw from a project or venture. Examples: they pulled out of the deal without explanation. The investor pulled out before signing the contract. Run by. Run by. Meaning to share an idea with someone to get their opinion. Examples: I'd like to run an idea by you. She ran the proposal by her manager before the meeting. Turn down. Turn down. Meaning to reject an offer or proposal. Examples: they turned down our offer to merge. He turned down the job because of the low salary.